So this is a trash, but look, it's what's this? Because it has a dropper, I mean a hopper, just like that. Because if I go here, where is it? In here. So I will teach you how to make a trash in the Bradley Wood, my favorite street. Number 1, dig 2 holes. I mean, dig 2 blocks. Dig 2 blocks, and then remove 1 block in there. Add a chest and another chest, so that's a large chest. And then crouch and place the dropper. The smaller amount of the dropper must be in the chest, directly in the chest, because if the smaller amount of the chest is not set directly to the chest, it will not get collected by the large chest. So then add another chest in here. Then you're done. Yes, it's super easy. And then you place your coal, and it's losing its number because it's collected in here. Look, watch this. The large chest is collecting the coal up to the smaller chest. It's done because in there some of them. So thank you for watching Minecraft tutorials number 1. Minecraft tutorial number 1. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so you never miss my videos. I love you, Golem 1. That's a Golem 1. So that's it. Goodbye.